Imagine standing in the quiet glow of a city at dusk. Streetlights reflect off polished metal. The air feels electric, and then it appears. The 2026-27 Ram Dodge 1500 Tungsten. This isn't just a pickup truck. This is a statement of power wrapped in luxury. A machine that doesn't ask for attention, but commands it. From the moment you approach, the Tungsten makes its presence known. The front fascia feels bold and architectural with a wide, confident grille that looks like it was carved from solid steel. LED headlights cut through the night with a sharp, crystal clarity, giving the truck a focused, almost predatory stare. Every line feels intentional. Every curve tells a story of strength refined by precision. Walk around it slowly. The body panels are sculpted with quiet confidence, flowing seamlessly from hood to tailgate. Massive alloy wheels fill the arches, giving the truck a planted, muscular stance. The paint catches light in waves, whether it's parked under neon signs or rolling through open highways. There's an elegance here that you don't usually associate with full-size pickups. Yet somehow, Ram has pulled it off. This is rugged luxury. American craftsmanship elevated. Now open the door. You're greeted by a soft ambient glow that feels more like a premium lounge than a truck cabin. The doors open wide, inviting you inside, and as you step in, the world outside fades away. The interior of the Ram 1500 Tungsten is where reality bends. Rich leather wraps around the seats, stitched with precision. Cool to the touch, yet instantly comforting. Real wood accents stretch across the dashboard, paired with brushed metal details that catch your eye without shouting. Every surface feels deliberate. Every material feels expensive. Settle into the driver's seat. It hugs you just right, supportive, plush, and commanding. You feel elevated, not just physically, but emotionally. In front of you, a massive digital display comes to life, crisp and vivid, while the center touchscreen feels more like something you'd expect in a luxury SUV than a pickup truck. The cabin is silent, calm, controlled. Touch the steering wheel. It's thick, leather-wrapped, and reassuring in your hands. Adjust your seat, customize the ambient lighting, and suddenly this truck becomes your personal space, your sanctuary, your cockpit. At night, the interior lighting paints the cabin in soft hues, reflecting gently off metallic trims while the dashboard glows like a modern command center. It feels cinematic, almost surreal. Now press the start button. The engine awakens with a deep, refined rumble, not aggressive but confident. A reminder that beneath all this luxury lives serious capability. Pull onto the road. The Ram 1500 Tungsten glides forward with surprising smoothness. Acceleration is effortless, whether powered by the advanced Hurricane Inline 6 or the familiar V8 growl. Power arrives instantly, pushing you back into your seat with controlled authority. This truck doesn't rush, it flows. On city streets, it feels composed and graceful, absorbing bumps and imperfections like they don't exist. On the highway, it settles into a steady rhythm, cruising with quiet confidence while the cabin remains hushed, almost peaceful. You barely hear the wind. Road noise fades away. All that's left is the gentle hum of the engine and your thoughts. And when the road opens up, you feel it. The Tungsten moves with surprising agility for its size. Steering is precise. Braking feels strong and predictable. You're aware of the truck's power, but it never feels overwhelming. Instead, it feels controlled, like it's always one step ahead of you, anticipating your next move. This is performance without drama, strength without chaos. Yet it's not just about driving. It's about how this truck makes you feel. You feel capable, confident, grounded. You imagine long road trips under endless skies, early mornings with coffee in the cup holder and music softly playing through the premium sound system, late night drives through glowing city streets. weekend adventures with gear loaded in the bed, quiet moments parked somewhere remote, watching the sun rise over the hood. The Ram 1500 Tungsten doesn't just take you places, it becomes part of the journey. And yes, this is still a truck. A serious one. Towing capacity remains impressive. Payload capability is more than enough for real work. The bed is ready for tools, toys, or whatever your lifestyle demands. But Ram has managed something rare here. They've blended brute utility with executive-level comfort. It's a pickup that feels just as natural pulling a trailer as it does pulling up to a five-star hotel. Now let's talk about the price. The 2026-27 Ram 1500 Tungsten sits at the very top of the Ram lineup, with pricing expected to start around $70,000 and climb higher depending on options. And while that might sound steep for a pickup, once you sit inside, once you drive it, once you feel what Ram has created here, it starts to make sense. Because this isn't competing with other trucks anymore. It's competing with luxury SUVs. And winning. The Ram Dodge 1500 Tungsten is for those who want strength without sacrificing comfort. For drivers who demand capability but refuse to give up elegance. For people who see their vehicle not just as transportation, but as an extension of their lifestyle. This truck doesn't shout, it speaks in confidence. So if you're searching for something that blends American muscle with modern luxury, something that feels powerful yet refined, something that turns everyday drives into experiences, the 2026-27 Ram Dodge 1500 Tungsten might just be waiting for you. And this is AM Automotive.